All right, I'll give you guys a little update. I got the car back in the garage and I'm kind of starting to clean it. I'm attempting to clean these seats up to see if we can salvage them at all. And so here's kind of what I'm using. I'm using Super Clean here. It's diluted 5:1, so 5 parts water, 1 part Super Clean. And then Magic Eraser. So these are pretty strong. I mean, they work great, especially in around the house and stuff. Never really used them, especially on leather. So you've got to be careful with these because this stuff is strong. This stuff is abrasive. So you got to be super careful. So let me show you what's going on with the car. So this is the driver's side seat, which is arguably the worst seat. And you can see that there's a lot going on here. Now I've just cleaned this upper middle white portion. So you can see the difference between this and that. So that is all from the Simple Clean and the Magic Eraser. So pretty happy with that. Now, here's the problem. Somebody has come and tried to repair these seats. You can see they've used this, they tried to color match it and they did a pretty shoddy job of coloring that. There's a spot up here, 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 and then all over here. So I'm gonna try to start cleaning some of this. So basically what I'm doing is simply spraying on a little, so I'll just do this middle portion. Spray it on a little Super Clean. Let's get our Magic Eraser. Wow, look at that. So you can see we got some of this dye coming up. So some of these repairs they did, this dye is coming up, but look how much cleaner that is right there. So that's a good start. Clearly, we're not gonna be able to salvage these seats completely, but maybe we can clean them up. I mean, see all this right here, this repair, that's all gonna come up. I mean, I'm almost sure when I start doing that, it's gonna come up. And in fact, let me show you the passenger seat because I was working on it. I did the back seat looks okay. But I started working on this, and as I was cleaning it, all this stuff started coming up. So you can see all these shoddy repairs here. And this, I'm not even sure what the story is here. If we've got through the dye, so that looks pretty rough. We might have to still try to fix those. So I'm gonna keep cleaning. I will see how this turns out.